So now let's strain. Want to make sure to get rid of all the lumps.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that little bell icon, and also don't forget to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to watch the video to the end.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be lightening, brightening the skin, getting rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. How are we going to do this? We're going to do this by using an homemade remedy, a natural homemade remedy using simple ingredient that you probably already have in your kitchen. Some of you might not be aware that these ingredients can actually work on the skin topically to clear, brighten, lighten, and actually leave your skin with a natural glow. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and at the end I'm going to share a live demonstration showing you how best to use this on your skin for fast, effective result. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
So our first ingredient is going to be tomato, and tomato is rich in skin brightening properties, help to lighten, brighten the skin, and help to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. Tomato also contains vitamin C, which help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So I'm going to use a half of a tomato, and you can use any type of tomato. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this in small pieces for blending. Now once the tomato has been chopped, I'm going to reach for a blender, and I'm going to add the tomato to the blender. So here we have the tomato in the blender, and now I'm going to cover and blend. Do not add any water. The tomato is going to produce its own liquid. Now here we have the blended tomato, and now we're going to strain. So now let's strain. Want to make sure to get rid of all the lumps. And this is our tomato puree. Now once this is done, we're going to set this aside. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some rice, and what I'm going to do with the rice, I'm going to blend it to a powder. And here I already have some blended rice powder, and this is about 2 tablespoons of rice powder. So what we're going to do next, we're going to reach for some hot water. And this is about a 1/8 cup. We're going to slowly pour the hot water in. You do not want it to be lumpy. You want it to be nice and creamy. The hot water is going to make this more of a gel-like consistency. And I'm going to pour a little bit more of the hot water in. And we're just going to keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Once this is done, I'm going to reach for some honey, pure, raw, unfiltered honey. And I'm going to take about a ½ teaspoon of the honey, pouring this in. And we're just going to mix in the honey and the rice. Just keep mixing. Blending well. My next ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel have to lighten and brighten the skin and clear hyperpigmentation. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and we're going to mix this in, blending that aloe vera into the rice mixture. Mix well. Now once this is done, we're going to reach back for our tomato mixture, and we are going to start off with 1 tablespoon of the tomato, and we're going to mix well, totally blending this in. We're going to mix well, and this is going to be more on the thicker side and still very much warm. So what we're going to do, we're going to set this aside, and this is going to thicken up, and then it's going to be ready to use on the skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.
To use this remedy, you want to start with clean skin. So go ahead and wash your skin before, and then you're going to take this and you're going to apply it all over your face. You're going to use it to exfoliate your face, your neck, and décolleté. You can exfoliate your face for about a minute or so and then rinse off. Another way to use this is that you can apply it all over your skin, and you can let it sit on your skin like a facial mask. Let it sit on the skin for about 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse off. This is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result, to get rid of dead skin cells, to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, to get rid of dull, rough looking skin, to transform your skin. If you have dark neck, this is good for your dark neck. So go ahead, mix it up, whip it up, use it up, and watch your skin transform. A close-up view of using this on the skin. See, I'm taking a small amount and I'm applying it on my skin in a circular motion, and this is exactly how you need to apply it on the skin, especially when you're using it as a facial wash. And here's a little tip, guys. This is also good to use under the armpit to lighten and brighten and exfoliate. If you have a very dry skin, go ahead and add a little extra amount of honey. We are using a half a teaspoon. Go ahead and add about a teaspoon, and this is also gonna help to hydrate the skin while exfoliating and lightening and brightening the skin. Remember to store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.